Can you hear the train coming? All aboard our treasured early bird affiliates or adapters. The early bird affiliates have your tickets ready for you, and the only way you can get on this train is through the ticket agents called Onpassive early bird affiliates. This train is called the Onpassive Freedom Train. Picking up those who aren't early bird affiliates to give them an opportunity to ride like winners, like all early bird affiliates are. Be ready when Onpassive comes to your depot with this massive, totally massive train. Be ready for the ride of your lifetimes. Keep looking for this freedom train to come to your town. The freedom train is rounding the bend. The only way that you can get on this train is by invitation only. The invitation of a loving early bird affiliate or adapter who wants you to change your life and be a part of Onpassive. This company, Onpassive, is going to change early bird affiliates' lives like no other company has ever done. Onpassive is the only company that has ever invited a customer to be in a place where not only do they save money, but they can also make money from the company by becoming an affiliate. Totally revolutionary. How outstanding is that? This is what makes Onpassive spectacular. Onpassive is the unquestioned leader of this massive IT space. Go to onpassive.com and register to become a customer and affiliate and receive 3 free digital products and receive a 14-day free trial of OConnect, the video conferencing platform.